You know it's raining bad when you see this in your village. How about that? This is a giant rainstorm that came to our area together with the Arctic cold. This is what's happening in the villages near Benidorm town, such as Albir. And now we'll be heading towards Benidorm to see what's happening out there. And if it's any better, it's pouring rain in Benidorm town. We are situated right by the old town. And as you can see, there is an authentic flood already by now in this area. Absolutely shocking amount of water already flooding our streets. It is raining very, very hard, as you can see. And this is the beginning of the rainstorm that we were expecting. Tomorrow is going to be the worst day. Today is just pouring rain whole day long, but tomorrow is going to be pouring rain plus epic cold. It is very strong, but there are still people on the streets. Quite a lot of people are having a walk out here. Look at this. I mean, I get it. It is holiday season. There's still quite a lot of people here. And even if it's raining, people will want to enjoy. Look at that. Pouring rain. Even so, Benidorm looks beautiful. Even so, Benidorm looks beautiful. Oh no, it's pouring out here. People are packing up local cafeterias and terraces. But boy, is it unpleasant right now to be outside. Look at all this. Oh, people are getting some hot coffee. I wouldn't mind some hot tea right now. Absolutely pouring, and it's going more and more. There's even bubbles here on the streets. And you remember last time I told you that here in Spain, typically people say that when there's bubbles inside of the water, when it's raining, it means that rain's going to be here for quite a long time. And if there's no bubbles, it means it's going to be a slightly smaller type of rain. Look at this. There's water everywhere. Oh, but it's nice, not gonna lie. We like this, and that is why we also go and film it for you guys, because for us, this is something quite unusual. We're not used to it. It's not usually typically raining here every single day. So for us, it's a different type of weather. It's something we're not used to. And we like it, we enjoy it. Wow. It is raining so much. Look at that. Still people out here. And even here by the shopping alleys. Oh my world, it is raining. Poor people, those who don't have anywhere to go. My goodness. That is a hard situation, you guys. Oh my goodness. Look at all this rain. Oh, it's probably the most unpleasant day for a lot of tourists here. And I get it. People want to have some fun, people want to go shopping, people want to explore. But this is what we've gotten. Someone still did open the terraces thinking someone will sit down on these. Who who in their sane mind will sit down with these types of tables when it's raining so hard? Look at that. It is definitely an unpleasant place to be right now. Although we love it, we like to see rain, we actually enjoy it, but at the same time it's not something that we really fancy to be in. Like, you know, one thing is when you like the rain, you see it from a cozy terrace or a hotel or your house, but the other thing is actually being inside of it, like in the rain with an umbrella. But we're here to show you every bit of Benidorm town, which is why we are here. By the way, the only thing that we have right now is an umbrella. We're not prepared. We're wearing sports clothes. Just finished physiotherapy, by the way, for my recovery as a runner. And yeah, this is the weather that I see. Flooding a little bit here, a little bit there. People on the inside grabbing some warm tea and coffee. Oh, there's quite a bit of water here, but it's all going here and then it all will go into the sea. Let me show you absolutely empty Levante beach. Obviously, duh, who will be here when it's raining so much? Oh, rain and more rain. Wow. It's raining quite a lot, by the way. More and more each time. So I feel like right now is when the storm's coming actually our way. Before that, it was raining just the tiniest bit. Look at the city sports bar. There's literally not a single person. They're just sitting out there waiting for someone to come in. It is what it is, I guess. All the water is flowing from the nearby streets directly into the sea, onto the sand. Many places closed down. Others are just seeing people pass by. Oh, it's cold. It is definitely colder. Who is running with this type of weather? I mean, I'm a runner too, I might get it, but it's raining too much right now. But if you don't go, it's gonna be raining a whole day long, so it's a tricky thing. Would you go for a run with this type of weather? I doubt it, honestly. It is too much. Oh, but it smells so fresh. You cannot even imagine what a fresh air. It's incredible. Wow. Tiki Town is closing up the terrace. They're putting everything on the inside. And it's obvious who's gonna be on the terrace right now. Oh, look at this. The water is already here. The water already came here because it comes from the nearby areas by the pipes. See? All these pipes. See how the water is coming out of it? That is because all the nearby areas, they all end up here. All this water ends up here. Seagulls love it. And this water already made it towards the beach. See? It already made it towards the beach. What a weather. What a weather, you guys. Wow. This is bizarre. And beautiful at the same time. It definitely is. Oh. We're the only crazy ones out here, I bet. But you know, we're always here for you guys to show you everything that's happening. And this day is no exception, even though it is raining cats and dogs. I think that's the word, how you express when the rain is really, really hard. Oh. 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 What in the world is that? There's a strong wind every now and then. My nose is red because it's cold. Oh. Oh wow, it's absolutely ugly weather now. It definitely is. Now it definitely is an ugly weather. Look at all this. It's pouring and all the nearby trees, they're already full with water. A lot of places are closed down with this type of weather. Obviously, who's gonna come? You know, there's no point. You're wasting just electricity and that is it. Oh. It's definitely way cooler, quieter, calmer place. Plenty of umbrellas here to actually purchase if someone wants those. Best seller for today. My world, it is cold. Oh, it is extremely cold now. I don't get it. Why? It was all right. Just some minutes ago, 10-15 minutes ago, it was all right. Now it's extremely cold. Maybe it's because it continues to rain and at the end, it just temperatures just drop. Oh. Look at this. We are by the techno kit, by the way. And boy, it is empty. Not surprised, not gonna lie. But it is definitely empty out here. Woo. Empty and cold. Wow. I see the same people just going round and round. Wow. Oh, by the way, see? Bubbles. Which means that it's gonna be raining for quite a while still, probably. Oh, some warm tea after this, definitely, please. We need some warm tea. If not, we might get ill, which is not a plan for today. Oh geez. They just splashed this area, so I don't think it's a good idea to actually pass. What are they doing? Just waiting out there randomly. Crazy people. Just stopped in the middle of the road. And that is it. Really busy. Really vivid. Really rainy. Oh, and dull. And cold. Really cold. This is what Benidorm looks like right now. Thank you for accompanying us in today's rainy video from Benidorm town. Stay safe and we'll see you very soon. Goodbye.